These 10 sentences are your day-to-day problem solvers. This is my 100 Punjabi Sentences series, and we're building your Punjabi one sentence at a time. We're moving now into the practical lines you need when you want help, directions, or prices. Close the door. Darwaja band karo. Easy partner sentence to the last video's open the door. Say it with me this time. Darwaja band karo. I need help. Mainu madad chahidi a. One of your most important high-value phrases. Say it with me. Mainu madad chahidi a. This one is good for learning, travel, shopping, basically everything. Can I ask a question? मैं एक सवाल पूछां? मैं एक सवाल पूछां. This one is absolutely essential, and that's where is the bathroom? Bathroom कित्थे आ? Say it with me. Bathroom कित्थे आ? Moving on, where is the station? Station कित्थे आ? An easy location question once you know कित्थे आ, which means where is it? Say it with me this time. Station कित्थे आ? How much is this? एक किन्ने दा आ? That's for masculine items, and for feminine items you might hear एक किन्ने दी आ? Your turn. A किन्ने दा आ? A किन्ने दी आ? It's too expensive. ये बहुत महंगा आ. A great sentence if you want to sound practical quickly. Say it with me. ये बहुत महंगा आ. ये बहुत महंगा आ. Which brings us to the next sentence, which is your polite bargaining line, which is, can you make it a little cheaper? थोड़ा सस्ता कर दो. ए थोड़ा सस्ता कर दो. Do you take card? की card चलेगा. This one is modern, useful, and very easy to remember. Say it with me. की card चलेगा. Another sentence that works beautifully in shops and taxis. Do you have change? टुट्टे हैगे? टुट्टे हैगे? Or you can also say ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਹੈਗੇ? Let's do a quick run through. ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ਾ ਬੰਦ ਕਰੋ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਦਦ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਆ. ਇੱਕ ਸਵਾਲ ਪੁੱਛਾਂ? ਬਾਥਰੂਮ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ? ਸਟੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਆ? ਇਹ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਦਾ ਆ? ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਮਹਿੰਗਾ ਆ. ਥੋੜਾ ਸਸਤਾ ਕਰ ਦੋ. ਕੀ ਕਾਰ ਚੱਲੇਗਾ? ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਟੁੱਟੇ ਹੈਗੇ? Make sure to practice these as mini role plays. Pretend you're in a shop, at a station, or asking for help. In the next video, we're getting into time, readiness, starting, leaving, and all those little coordination phrases. See you next time. Until then, Sat Sri Akal ji.